Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. 10 passive income ideas that work with no audience. Beginner friendly. Close your eyes. Take a breath. What if you could start earning money without followers, without going viral, without waiting for attention? What if the truth is most people are not stuck because of opportunity, but because they are looking in the wrong place? Today, you're going to discover 10 passive income ideas that do not need an audience, do not need fame, and can be started quietly in the background while your life continues. Slow down, listen carefully, because just one of these could change everything. Let's begin. Idea 1. Print-on-demand products. You create simple designs, upload them to a platform. When someone buys, it gets printed and shipped automatically. No inventory, no storage, just ideas turned into income. Idea 2. Digital templates. Resumes, planners, business files. People search for these every day. You create once, upload once, and they can sell again and again and again. Idea 3. Stock photos. You do not need fame, you need useful images, business shots, lifestyle scenes, simple everyday photos. Upload them and earn every time someone downloads. Idea 4. Affiliate marketing without audience. No followers needed. You use search traffic instead. Blogs, simple websites, helpful answers online. You connect people to things they already want and earn quietly in the background. Idea 5. Simple ebooks. Not long books, not complex ideas, just clear solutions. One problem, one guide. People pay for clarity. Idea 6. Mobile micro tools. Small apps, calculators, trackers, simple tools. They do not need millions of users, just steady use over time. Small usage becomes income. Idea 7. Renting digital assets, websites, domains, ad space. You build once, others pay to use it. Ownership creates leverage. Idea 8. Simple online courses. You do not need to be an expert, just one step ahead. Teach something basic, clear, simple, practical. People value shortcuts. Idea 9. Niche websites. Small topics, specific audiences, low competition. They grow slowly but steadily. Traffic becomes income over time. Idea 10. Automated services. Simple tasks, scheduling, posting, organizing. Once automated, they keep running with minimal effort, and small systems add up quietly. Now pause. None of these need attention. None of these need fame. They need patience, consistency, and action at the start. Because passive income is not doing nothing, it is building something that keeps working after you stop. And right now, as you listen, ideas are already forming, opportunities are already around you, waiting to be noticed. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.